The Monbulk Olinda area is this fantastic space just outside the eastern suburbs of Melbourne. We've been having a challenge in this area over the past few years, and this is to do with extreme climate events which bring about sometimes extended power outages.
This project was a part of an initiative by federal government called Protecting Australian Communities. This area is very well known for its long power outages. So one of the aims of council was to ensure that the local residents had somewhere to go if there was an emergency.
We've centered our solution around the council office, the cricket pavilion, which is not too far from the council office in Monbulk, taking 3 separate NMIs and bringing them together. We're then going to support these 3 NMIs with solar systems. We're then going to buttress this with a battery system from Cegasa, made in Spain. And just in case, we've decided we're going to have a generator sitting in the background to give that final bit of support to the local community. The first step is to have detailed designs. We consulted widely to make sure we're coming up with a solution that's going to stand the test of time. So in December 2024, we started with the solar system on the cricket pavilion, comprising 156 solar modules of 450 watt peak each. A Schletter racking system. We used LAP DC cable and of course Fronius inverters. Every single clamp on the roof interfacing the solar racking to the roof was torqued to a specific setting. Every mid and end clamp was torqued to a specific setting. The system was completed towards the end of December and now forms part of a total 100 kilowatt, which is going to serve this site. So another part of this project is the boring. We have got to run new circuits from the existing main switchboard, which is going to become a subboard, to where the new main switchboard. This new main switchboard is going to be located in a container, and it's going to become the central point for all other circuits. Once the boring was complete, we've got to pull the circuits through. That was done by a team that was led by Mark Deutschbein. There was no damage to the cable. Bending radiuses were maintained to the standard we wanted to work to.
So it was my job to design the AutoCAD drawings. I was also in contact with the engineers from Caterpillar. That was for the 150 kVA generator. Adding the generator to the container design increased the size of the container to a 40-foot container. Selectronics was very supportive as far as providing documentation on where the mounting positions were for the inverters.
Mark Fanning put in weekends, late hours, bringing on board his civil construction experience to ensure that we were able to complete this portion of the work in time. As part of this project, we had to implement a completely new main switchboard. We have in this switchboard a unique electrical arrangement. In the event of a complete failure of our Selectronic system, we can switch over to the main grid and isolate our backup system entirely. The system comprises 15 Cegasa 48-volt batteries, giving us an estimated output of 60 kilowatts, a total kilowatt-hour capacity of approximately 200 kilowatt-hours. We had a very interesting challenge with the hearting connectors, and we were able to identify that it's a special die we require. We had to get these air freighted from Germany. It took about 4 to 5 days so that we could get the perfect crimp for the next 15 to 20 years. Like with all complex systems, it's the final testing and commissioning, and unexpectedly we ran into some challenges. We had Peter McKernan, Mark Deutschbein, who came in and gave us tremendous support, and without these individuals we would not have got there.
The team here at UB Energy, we worked together, we worked seamlessly, we worked tirelessly just to make sure that we could meet our deadlines. It was all hands on deck, and we're very proud of the project that we've delivered.
We haven't done anything like this in Yarra Ranges Council before. I think what we were particularly happy with was UB Energy's commitment to the project. I mean, a commitment that was well beyond our expectations. Many examples at UB Energy went that one step further than most of us expect from our contractors.